Hi, in my previous video you learned how to create an option menu bar in Android Studio. Today you will learn how to create pop-up menu bar in Android Studio. So let's start. Open your Android Studio. Click on Start a new Android Studio project. Select Empty Activity. Click on Next. Name of your application Pop-up menu. Click on Finish. First create menu directory under RES. Right click, new Android resource file, menu, resource type menu, click on OK. Here you can see that menu.xml file created under menu resource directory. Now create menu item, ID, item 1, title, item 1. Similarly, create another item, two, item 2, item 3, item 4. Now click on activity main.xml, relative layout, button, on click, pop-up. Now move on to Java coding. Public void this on click method. Now in this on click method we create pop-up menu, new pop-up menu, this navigate view v, this comma v, pop-up menu dot set on menu item click listener, and in this method we pass this. As we pass this, we have to implement on menu item listener. Here we select Android.visit pop-up menu. Now we implement methods. On menu item click. Now before doing in coding in on menu item click, first pop-up menu dot inflate r.id dot menu. Menu dot menu. Then pop-up menu dot show. Now right switch case item dot get item id case r dot id dot item 1 create a toast message this comma item 1 toast dot make test toast dot length long dot show. Return true. Page error, Now similarly for other case. Copy this. Paste. ID 2 item 2 ID 3 item 3 ID 4 item 4 default return false. Now run the project. Here you can see that when I click on button, a pop-up menu is created. Item 1, item 2, item 3, item 4. When I click on item 1, it creates a toast message. Item 1, item 2, it display a toast message. Item 2. Similarly for item 3 and item 4. Thank you.